Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are going to do question number B from page number 17 of the chapter The Two Companions. So, very first thing, write today's date. Children, I am going to continue from the same page where we have ended up yesterday because we are writing the same chapter, so we can continue the page. What is today's date? Today is 15/10/21. And what is the question number? Question number is B. If suppose you are writing on a new page, then you should write the chapter's name on the top, okay? Okay, and the question is B. Arrange ARRANGE. Arrange these sentences. THESE. These sentences in right order. 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 So children, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences are given in your textbook, but they are not in proper order. What are these sentences? These sentences make the story of the two companions, okay? But it is not in proper order, so we have to write it in proper order. If you are doing in your book, you can mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you are writing, write with me. Okay? And what can be the first sentence? The first sentence will be, should I read all for you, children? Or let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Check out the two companions were walking through the forest. This is 1, 2, third one in your book. That will be our number 1. Okay, so I am writing number 1 here. Two companions, COMPANIONS. Two companions were walking, WALKING. Walking, WALKING. The two companions were walking through, THROUGH. Through a forest, FOREST. What is a forest, children? A forest where you will find a lot of trees and also wild animals over there. That is called a forest. Okay, so here bracket is given in your book. A box is given, so you can write over there number 1. This is third one given in your book, so you can write there number 1. I have written as number 1 here. Now we come to the second one. Now check it out, children. Which statement will be the second one? It is they. Who they? The two companions saw a bear. BEAR, bear. At first they were walking through the forest. The two companions were walking through the forest and then they saw a bear. So this is the second one. Okay. Now come to number 3. Which can be the third one, children? Number 3 is 1. Remember the story? Climbed, CLIMBED. One climbed a tree, T-R-E-E. One climbed a tree and hid himself, H-I-M, him, S-E-L-F, self. He hid himself. Why? Because he was afraid of the bear. Everyone is afraid of the bear. So he hid himself and saved himself, leaving his friend behind him. Okay, now come to number 4. So children, leaving the friend behind is not a good thing. Okay. Now come to number 4, that is the other, O-T-H-E-R, other. The first one climbed the tree. What did the other one do? The other fell, F-E-L-L, fell on the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. The other fell on the ground and pretended, P-R-E, pretend, T-E-N, dead, D-E-D, and pretended to be dead, D-E-A-D, dead. So this was number 4. Now we come to number 5. Number 5 is, I hope you're writing the numbers, children. The bear, B-E-A-R, bear. The bear sniffed, S-N-I-F-F-E-D, sniffed. What do you mean by sniffed? Sniffed means to smell. Generally the animals sniff, okay? The bear sniffed the man lying, L-Y-I-N-G, lying on the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, on the ground, and thinking, T-H-I-N-K-I-N-G, thinking he was dead, D-E-A-D, dead, went away, A-W-A-Y, away. Thinking that the man who was lying on the ground was dead, went away. Who went away? The bear went away. At first, the bear sniffed the man, he smelled him, and then he went away thinking that the man was dead, because the man was lying on the ground without any movement. The bear will only attack the person if he knows that he is alive. But here he thought that the man lying on the ground was dead, so he did not attack him, he went away. Now, what is number 6? Sixth one is the other companion. Check out the spelling, children. C-O-M-P-A-N-I-O-N, companion. I think you must have learned up till now the spelling of companion. We have written so many times, है ना? Okay, the other companion climbed, C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed down, D-O-W-N, climbed down from the tree. 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 Why he climbed on the tree? Because he knew that now the bear is not there. So he came down from the tree. Now come to the next one. Number 7. And number 7 is, that is the last one, children. The bear. B-E-A-R, bear. The bear told, T-O-L-D. The bear told the man. Lying, L-Y-I-N-G. Lying on the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. On the ground, that those, T-H-O-S-E, those who in danger, E-A-N-G-E-R, those who in danger run away from, A-W-A-Y, away, F-R-O-M, from their companion, T-H-E-I-R, their companion, C-O-M-P-A-N-I-O-N, S, their companions are B-A-D, bad people, P-E-O-P-L-E. So the bear is telling that the companion who run away because of danger, leaving the other companion behind, are bad people. Understood, children? The bear told the man lying on the ground that those who in danger ran away. Who ran away, children? The one who climbed the tree. Okay? That those who in danger run away from their companions are bad people. They are not good people, they are bad people because they left their companion in danger and saved their life, leaving the other one behind. So those are not good people. Okay? Let's repeat it once, children. So the question is, arrange these sentences in right order. Okay, and as I have written in the notebook, so I have written in the right order itself. The first one is, two companions. Everybody will repeat after me. Two companions. Companions means friends. Two companions were walking through a forest. Number 2, they saw a bear. They saw a bear. Number 3, one climbed a tree and hid himself. Number 4, the other fell on the ground. I repeat, the other fell on the ground and pretended to be dead. And pretended to be dead. What do you mean by pretended, children? To pretend means to act. Okay. The other companion was not actually dead, but because he was afraid of the bear, so he lied down on the ground and he pretended. That means he was doing acting. He acted as if he was dead. Okay, so pretend means to act and pretended to be dead. Now come to number 5. The bear sniffed. Sniffed means to smell. The bear sniffed the man lying on the ground and, thinking he was dead, went away. What do you mean by lying, children? Lying means to put your body straight on the ground, flat. That is in a sleeping position. Okay? Because of danger, the other companion lied on the ground. So he was lying down straight in a horizontal position, like as if he was sleeping or he is dead. Okay? So putting your body straight to the ground, that is lying on the ground in the sleeping position. Come to number 6. The other companion climbed down from the tree. And the last one, number 7, is the bear told the man lying on the ground that those who in danger run away from their companions are bad people. They are not people, they are bad people because they left their friend behind in danger. Okay, so one should never do this. We should always help the friend. Okay, so this was all for today, children. Thank you.